Hello everyone, is this your first time seeing the big python releasing the chicken? Look at this, there is a big python. He had been eaten big chicken and now he want to release it from his mouth because there are many people surrounded him so that he can crawl as fast as he can. So look at this, a big mouth. Look, there's a there is the chicken coming out from the mouth of a big python. Look at it. This python, maybe he can feel the stressful surrounded him, that many people watching him, and it is possible that they come to his senses that he can crawl as fast as he can when his stomach become empty. And there is the feet of the chicken, as you can see. Look at this. Oh, try to imagine that a python can eat whole chicken. At the same time, he can release it from that. Look at this. It's look like a goma. There you go. Okay, it has been released fully, and that python think that he could crawl freely. Look how small that his neck, but can swallow that big chicken. So look at this, and the people trying to catch him. Stay there. What happened next? Look at it. And so the python find his way out from the people around that's around him. Look at this. This python maybe feel the pressure, so he find his way out of the people, but someone trying to catch him. Look, there's a big man. Hold him on the tail. Look, the python got caught now, and this person catch him, and surely they will just turn over it to the right person or to the authority to surrender.